everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going to a CGN32 shop, Crusader Customs. We're going to see what he's up to. I just got off work, it's a nice day outside, so we're just enjoying the day. Just pulled up to the shop. Ooh. I got this Oldsmobile right here. This thing's pretty sweet. What's up, pal? Ooh. I like that blue. You got a bigger truck than me? What? What's going on? Yes, sir. Trash can tip on it. Good thing it was loud before. It's a trash can. Trash can.
Yeah, that looked like a...
Yay! So who the real trucker, Jay? Can you whip this, Jay? Think you can handle it?
It's nothing.
Uh-oh. It's nothing, buddy. It's nothing, Gabe.
Hey, I think you should put these rims on your truck.
Shit.
No, I'm talking about Jay. I think Jay should put these on his 18-wheeler.
Yeah, that's brand new. Yeah. Got it 2 days ago. Yeah. Huh? The tip, yeah. Yeah. Stick your head in there.
So you just added the lights?
No, I had the lights on it. I just added the tip.
Oh, okay. The tip looks
Yeah.
good, man. That looks...
You want to sit in it?
You know what's crazy? Is
Jump up in there.
On this truck is higher than your bumper on your truck. Your rig.
How tall is your truck?
Jerry. No. Oh, look at this.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. That's a different kind of truck.
Girl, private part back there for Jerry to hump. You see that hole back there?
Yeah, I see that hole. I can put my own hand up in there.
Yeah. He set his head up in there.
Jerry can be reborn out of that thing.
That's right. Hey, you know she ran through Jerry.
Man, Boots, you are looking
don't
like
get
you in
injured.
heaven right now.
Jay getting injured trying to go up there. He
Ooh,
used to driving big trucks.
Ooh, that shows
He
speed
said it
right
feels
there,
right.
bro. You might have to trade them heads up for the Cutlass.
That's
Would you let him get the Cutlass heads up? He said he let him get the Cutlass heads up for this.
Yeah, all right.
Oh, okay.
You all right. You a couple hundred, couple thousand short. Jerry, where you going, hump man?
Yeah, you're right. Thanks, man.
Yeah, definitely. No access, Jerry.
Man, I'm so used to the semi truck. I'm looking for a step right.
All right. Gabe, bro. Productions.
Definitely, man.
Make sure y'all subscribe.
Definitely.
See that?
See that lat back? I need that.
Yeah, that's
lat
hot.
back.
That's mandatory if you got a truck, bro.
Pretty much.
Mandatory.
All right, man. Take over your vlog real quick. I gotta take this phone call.
CJ, busy man.
What is good, Gabe? It's your boy CJ. Back on another video. Still hanging out with 32 Gabe, man. Stunning race in the building.
Oh, yeah.
Man, I'm tired of walking under this damn take it off. We got somebody sitting sky freaking high over here.
Next to the putt freeze.
Next to the front Prius.
He crushed this like a kid.
I can make it happen.
No,
He drive
man.
right over you.
Oh,
Oh,
man.
he drive? No, he ain't gonna drive.
No,
over
he
you.
ain't driving on it, man. This thing is made of unbendable metal right there, man. That's like the space
Be on the
shuttle.
lookout now. Y'all can shoot and do that. Clickbait. You know what I'm saying? I just got
the car accident. You ain't slick stuff.
Hey, that's the same material they make the space shuttle out of, man.
Holding up like a Tesla truck.
Hey, y'all ain't ready to see what's new though. You just gonna get straight to the point, man. What the hell you done did?
I put a 10-inch trash can on it.
This. Golly. That's for the guys who asking where his exhaust is. Is it loud?
Yeah.
What it add to it?
It's pretty loud here.
Hold on, man. Don't be trying to start nothing up. Let's see. Man, what the hell was that? A lawnmower starting up? What the hell?
Oh, you stay right there. You stay right there.
No.
Oh, yeah, you stay right there.
I'm thinking we about to get on the big
What
ass
the hell
truck.
was that? An SS started up. Where that damn curve? Trying to kill him with pollution, man.
I'm in the challenger, man.
Y'all ain't even
Oh, okay.
I know.
Hold on.
Man, what the in the camera hell you got back here? What's this? You got a camera back here?
Looks like a
I'm
dice.
had to put a homemade backup.
Wait, is it on?
Yeah, that was on, man.
That was on?
What the hell? You got a homemade backup camera right
Yes,
here?
sir. You already know. Man, you know I'm fixing it up, man. It's gonna be the most legendary freeze in the world someday.
Okay, let me drop the top, man. Let me see what it's like to be up in here. Uh-oh, look, first class, man. I'll hold my camera. You see if I can get up here. This big ass truck. Damn! Y'all talking about hopping in the Challenger. Hey, what if I steal your truck?
Hey, you kind of need the key.
I'll look up here.
You look pretty good.
See here, Gabe don't pull up right. Y'all see what I'm saying? If I'm at the car show, this is how I'm pulling up on. Just like this. Don't open speakers, blast, and swerving on everybody. Gabe ain't pulling up like that. Gabe pulling up like this.
He trying to roll down the window, but there's no key in it.
Oh, yeah.
Let me see the key, man. I ain't gonna steal your truck.
That's fine.
I might do some burnout. All right, look. I gotta show y'all how Gabe pull up to the car show. Like this is how Gabe pull up.
Fact, you're right. Actually,
Gotta have a
the
door.
arm on the thing, yeah.
Everything.
Hey, bro, imagine going to Washington Park in this, man, back in the day. Stunned on everybody.
Gabe, can I move this one?
Yeah, you got it.
I know you trust me, man. See, look, I'm in a run cherry.
Yeah.
32 gang high, look, man. See, this is gang truck. That's my truck over there. Gang truck is driving the truck to the park.
Yeah! Oh, that sounds good. I love that turbo. Ooh, that thing's spooling up like a damn 18-wheeler turbo or something. You sound like Turbo Joe. I mean, Turbo Smoke. I mean, Turbo Joe. I'm sorry.
CJ on 32 driving my truck. What the heck?
CJ done stole his truck. Man, I'm gonna put my hand out, but I'm sorry. All right, CJ.
See how he parks it.
CJ, before you park it,
I'm double parked.
hold on. Before you park it, we gotta get the tug of war between your truck.
Oh.
He don't hold no truck. I'm gonna double park. You got the backup camera. So don't put it in conversation.
You don't want to run the fuck up here no reason. As long as you don't hit the building, he's ran.
Yeah, I got backup camera.
In the mirrors.
No, not in the mirrors. Those are 2017s. Yeah, it's got in the Ford emblem in the back.
Oil change, right? You said you need an oil change, bro.
Yeah.
Get this oil change, man. I hate to see you broke down on the side of the road.
They don't need a lift to do it.
What?
Oh yeah, they just stand right underneath
Right,
it.
they just stand right underneath it.
Basically, he can do it. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna give y'all my little review on that ride right there. It was kind of cool. Y'all know I'm used to sitting up high in the car. Got a different feeling to it. I didn't really hit it or take it on the streets. I ain't gonna drive this car. If something happened to it, shit, I ain't gonna pay for it. So we're gonna let Gabe drive it and he can enjoy his vehicle. But it's cool. It's cool sitting up that high. See me, I'll be running some shit over, so I can't have that. I'll be road raging like, man, get out my way. Get out my way. Jerry, what you, man, you got the shape. You trying to be like Stunning now. You got the
I want to be like Stunning. Did you saw my last video? I'm going to be like my homeboy Stunning Reese.
Jay got the clear.
Without the lady X. Without the lady X. You know what I'm saying?
Only one lady X.
I can't do no off-road right now, man. I can't do it. I can't do it, man. Everybody got cameras out the whole game.
Oh, yeah.
You want to take this over? I'll hold that for you. You got it, Stunning?
Yeah, I got it.
Woo! Let me get over. Big 34 inches, man. These J new wheels, by the way. Oh, hold on, boy. Hey, this what you need. More rim up over there on that truck, man.
Oh, we can test fit right now.
Got 6 lug?
Yeah.
Ain't happening.
Oh, 8 lug, my bad.
Oh, you got an 8 lug.
Extra not happening.
Probably the front. Let's put it at the front, man. Put it at them big 34s right there. What Gabe talking about? I'll go 34s on you, Gabe. Word! Woo! Boy.
Well, you still got to cut.
Still got a chop. So this is what I'm saying. Y'all talking about go from 34s, 32s. No, you got to cut. 30s, yes, 30s going right out here. But I was between 30 and 28. But with the 30s, you can get a better size tire than with the 28.
I'll just take the whole bumper off.
Yeah. With these cars, they got the square bumper.
Yeah.
I like the rim look better. I'm not going with the back is actually higher. So when I get the leveling kit, I'm gonna lift the front up. So we going 30. 30's the swerve on my boy Gabe right here. We're blowing all that diesel smoke. Diesel smoke out is behind over there on that truck.
It's okay. It's okay. We got something coming, so it's okay.
What you think? Man, wait, hey, scoot out my way, man. I'm trying to get this thumbnail and shit while you over here playing. Definitely not no. Matter of fact, let me see something. You got an off-road wheel on
That would look good.
Yeah, that would look crazy.
It's white too? Oh.
Alright, guys. It. Put the lift on there and off-road tires. Bad hell to the knob. It not happening, right, Jay? We gotta keep it street. Let me see something, Jay.
What you guys think? Off-road wheel or 34? He says no.
We're going rims, man. Yeah. My decision is made. What's your decision? What you think?
I said the 34s, man, look good.
Man, we ain't doing no 34s, man. Come on now.
All
You
right,
want to just
30s.
34 everything.
What 30s do?
You like the sub now. They just want a 34 Guys, we can't 34 everything,
You
man.
probably anyway.
At my ass, we can't do 34s, man. Jay, what you think? Lift or rims? Rims look so much better to me.
Now,
Gabe got a diesel over there.
Yeah.
That's why I was saying, if it was a diesel, of course. Diesel, you could put some badass rims on diesel.
y'all make sure to get in the comments and let me know what you think, either off-road wheels or street wheels. CJ probably gonna go with, actually, CJ 100% is going with street wheels, but that's okay. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you thought about the video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.